Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me LG Q70 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So as you can see, here you have 4 buttons, not 3 but 4 buttons. We have a Google Assistant button, as you can see, and here we have power button and volume buttons. So take a screenshot on a device. You just need to press together volume down and power button. So just click it together. You can't take a screenshot using the 3 fingers because this is the Realme feature. You can take a screenshot using your palm because this is the Huawei feature, and you can take a screenshot clicking twice on your screen because this is the Huawei feature too. So take a screenshot, you need to press together power button and volume down, or click on the screenshot button on the control panel of your device. So here you have a screenshot button, and by clicking on it you can take a screenshot too. So if you want to take a long screenshot, so just click on screenshot button and click on scroll button. And here you can see screen is scrolling. You can tap on any place of your screen to stop recording a long screenshot. As you can see, this is the long screenshot. So just click OK, and this long screenshot will be saved in your gallery. So just open the gallery, and as you can see, here I have my long screenshot. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.